Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in the market for a top-notch treadmill but don't want to break the bank with Peloton's premium price tag, you're in the right spot. Today, we're exploring the best Peloton treadmill alternatives for 2025, options that deliver great performance, features, and value without the hefty cost. Let's dive in. First off, why consider alternatives? Peloton treadmills are fantastic for their interactive classes and sleek design, but they can be expensive and might not suit everyone's needs. Whether you're looking for something more budget-friendly or with extra features like advanced incline settings, we've got you covered. Our top pick is the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. This beast boasts a 14-inch touchscreen, auto-adjusting incline up to 15%, and integrates with iFIT for virtual workouts. At around $2,000, it's a steal compared to Peloton, with pros like a spacious running deck and quiet operation. The only downside? It requires a subscription for full access, but that's common these days. Next up, the Proform Pro 9000 is perfect for serious runners. Priced at about $1,800, it features a 22-inch HD screen, speeds up to 12 miles per hour, and a -3% to 12% incline range. What I love about this one is its space-saving design that folds up easily, making it ideal for home gyms. Cons include a slightly bulkier build, but the performance more than makes up for it. Don't overlook the Bowflex Treadmill 10. For around $1,500, it offers a 10-inch display, Bluetooth connectivity, and quick speed adjustments. It's super user-friendly with cushioned decking for joint protection, which is great if you're easing into running. The main con is that it lacks some advanced metrics, but for most users, it's a solid, affordable choice. Lastly, the Sole F80 is a budget-friendly gem at just $1,200. It has a powerful motor, easy folding, and built-in speakers, plus it's whisper quiet. Pros include excellent warranty and durability, but it doesn't have the interactive screens of higher-end models. In conclusion, these Peloton alternatives for 2025 offer incredible value and features tailored to different fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for you. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let me know in the comments which one you're eyeing. Thanks for watching, stay active,